Okay, staring at her is just scary. Okay, what do we need? Wake up! We gotta do these 6 TikTok things before.
Okay, can you research them and I'll help you do them?
For real? Let's see. Let me just go on TikTok and type in TikTok life hacks. Or maybe I should put life hacks. Yeah, life hacks. Okay, that's kind of easy. Hey, wake up! You're supposed to help me!
Okay, fine.
Okay, look.
You find 3, I'll find 3.
Yes. Okay, I got that one, that one. No, I don't even know if that's gonna work. Is that even possible?
Oh, how about this balloon one?
Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay, so that's one. I found 2.
Okay.
We gotta hurry, we only have 1 hour.
Okay.
I'm like in total lazy mode right now. Okay, let's try some of these out.
Okay, so for this one, we're gonna need a balloon, a bowl, and some tape.
So we got the items here, and for copyright purposes, we can't show you the video that we just saw, but we're gonna try to do it. I don't even know it's gonna work. Okay, so supposedly, you're gonna poke a hole through here and it's gonna shoot out water and it's supposed to look frozen. I don't even know how that's gonna happen.
What?
So we need some tape, a balloon filled with water, and like a bowl to put it in. So let's look at the, let's see. We're gonna put the tape here. We're gonna put another piece of tape here. And one here. And I know it's just a big one here. So we're just gonna have like a small hole in the middle.
Oh, it kind of looks like the tic-tac-toe thing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so apparently I need to put a little slice into the middle of that tape. So first off, let me just go ahead and turn it this way so it goes into the sink. And here goes nothing. Oop. Come on! Poke it! What? Poke it! I'm trying!
Okay. Let's do that again because we totally messed that up. Okay, that did not turn out too well. So we blew up another balloon with water and let's try at attempt number 2. All right, fam, you got this?
I think so. This time I got a sharper knife because I think the other one might have been too dull, and that's why, you know, that explosion happened. So let's try this again.
Right here in the middle between the tape.
Here we go.
I'm gonna step back.
It's still not puncturing. I don't think this one works.
Okay, attempt number 3. And this time I say we use a push pin because that knife didn't work. Okay, hopefully I get it right this time. And here we go. I'm just gonna poke it through. Okay, make a hole. One. This balloon. Ah! Whoa! It worked! Look at it! It looks like it's frozen right here. Ah! Okay, 1 down, and that first one was like really hard to do. And if you're trying to do it at home, I guess make sure you find like a push pin and poke it through because we made a mess. Okay, so next life hack we're gonna try is this water bottle flip. So according to TikTok, let's just do a regular flip first. Back up, and yeah, obviously can't do it. One on the floor.
Yeah.
Can't do it. So the next one, according to TikTok, if you put salt in there, you're gonna increase your chances of flipping the bottle and it landing right here. So let's try it out. Okay, so let's add salt. It really didn't say how much to add, so we're just gonna wing it.
Sure.
We'll go with that.
I'm gonna add a little bit more. See if it-
Okay, and then we're gonna close it up. Oh, and for this hack, it wants water to be about like right here. I don't know. That's what we saw on TikTok. We'll go with that. We're just gonna shake it up. Okay, let's see if it works. We'll back it up. Make sure it makes a little room. Okay, you ready? Yep. Okay, let's throw out 5 times each and see how many times it lands. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Nope. Okay, that's 1. Get on the floor. I think we're just bad. Whoa!
I got it. Okay.
Okay, hold on. Okay, that doesn't count.
Oh, that was the end. Hey, at least I got one.
At least you got one, so I guess that hack worked. I mean, did it really work? I don't know. Let's see. All right, shake it up. Maybe like a little of the salt going to the bottom. I don't know. Okay, I think for this to work, we have to like successfully throw the water bottle on the table. So that's my goal.
That was close.
Whoa! Did you see that?
Nice.
Okay, so I guess I would have to say that this life hack worked because I don't think I could do it without it.
I don't think so either. I mean, I got one. That's pretty good.
Yep, so thumbs up for this hack. On to the next.
Okay, so for this next life hack, apparently you can charge your phone without plugging the plug into the wall.
No way, there's no way.
I'll
You
have
saw
to
that on
show you.
TikTok?
Yeah.
I don't believe it.
Well, I guess I'll have to show you. So apparently I'm supposed to put my charger into the wall 10 times. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
And then you're supposed to plug it in?
Yep, and I plug it into my phone and see, it says charged.
What? How's that even possible? It did that for like 1 second. Does that even count?
I guess it says charged, so I would say it counts.
So I guess that life hack worked, right?
Yeah, just make sure your phone is not super like out of batteries.
I mean, I guess that's like a good bet if you're like coming up to someone like, hey, you know, I bet you I can't charge my phone without plugging it into the wall. So I guess that works. Thumbs up for that one. Hey, we haven't found any that like hasn't worked yet. So pretty good. All right, on to the next. Okay, here's one that I'm like really confused about. I saw this on here and I'm gonna try it out. So supposedly, if you put a penny inside the back of your phone case, so we're gonna pull this out. We're just gonna put the penny in the back of my phone case, put it back. It's supposed to spin your phone better. I don't know. Let's see. Like, I
Whoa.
mean, is that even gonna spin? Hold on. I mean, it's spinning, right? Okay, what happens if I take the penny out? I'm just curious. And it still spins the same. I really don't know if this penny spinny phone thing actually worked.
Yeah, I would.
So,
Thumbs up.
thumbs down.
For the next life hack, I'm going to be cracking this egg onto this plate, and apparently after microwaving it for 1 minute, it's supposed to become a perfectly round egg.
The one like McDonald's?
I suppose so.
Is that what you saw in the life hack?
Yep.
Oh, let's try this one out. Okay, so here we go.
I'm going to crack the egg and put it in my plate. Okay, now let's put it in a microwave and press start.
1 minute has passed and that is not a circle egg like McDonald's. Okay, this was a total fail. But I guess we discovered that we can cook eggs in the microwave.
Yep.
I mean,
Overcooked.
overcooked though, but you know, it works if you're desperate. Okay, and the last hack we're gonna do is, supposedly I could see a shark and a tiger like in front of my face with my phone. That's what I just saw just now.
I gotta see this to believe it.
Okay, so take your phone and type in Google tiger. You type tiger and I type shark. Shark.
Okay.
Okay, so shark. And supposedly it says view in 3D. So let's click on that. Okay, I only see fam and I don't see any shark yet. Whoa, 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 what on earth is that? Oh my goodness, there's a shark. He's like all the way up there. Do you see a tiger, fam?
Yes, and the tiger is right in front of you.
It is?
Yes.
The tiger at?
It's right in front of you.
Like
you gotta
right here?
move. Yeah, move to your right. There you go. Oh. Ooh.
Tiger!
Whoa, this is so awesome.
Take a picture, I wanna see.
That
Max
looks
scared.
super real.
Hey, that looks super cool. I mean, I like it. I mean, we got the tiger, the shark. I wonder what other animals there are, you guys.
I don't know, maybe a monkey?
I know, like, we're gonna have to definitely research this one a little bit more because I am digging it. Wait a minute. The photo of the egg. We did our 6!
Yes.
We did it within an hour too! Woohoo! High five! Take that, TikTok master! I said that too soon.
Oh no.
You got a text message. I don't want to look.
Oh no. Okay.
What does it say?
Let me see.
Time's up! You managed to complete your task and expose the faker. That's one thing that I hate. Fakes. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Whoa. For once, she doesn't seem angry at us.
Yeah, thank goodness. She's mad at those fake life hackers.
Yes, that's a win in my book because we found some really cool life hacks and some not so cool life hacks. If you guys have any life hacks that you would like us to try, whether it's from TikTok or from the internet, leave a comment down below and we'll try to try them out. Oh, I'm getting sleepy, you guys. Oh, that was a lot of work.
Me too. Back to our lazy day?
Back to our lazy day. And as always, remember that we laugh together,
We cry together.
sisters for life. Bye.